Here's a new 2021 BMW 3 Series. With an intelligent approach to engineering and legendary design, it's no wonder it's the most popular in BMW's lineup. It comes nicely equipped with features you love. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, streaming audio, heated steering wheel, gas pressurized shocks, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and automatic transmission. Built for those who don't compromise on quality or driving pleasure. Built to be a BMW. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Welcome to Bill Jacobs BMW. Call, click, or stop in today. We're conveniently located at 2495 Aurora Avenue in Naperville, Illinois.